Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is a provider package in Flutter. So provider package in Flutter is a popular state management solution that simplifies the process of managing and sharing the state across the application. It is built on top of inherited widget and offers higher level abstraction, make it easier to manage state in a interactive and declarative manner. Okay, so let me explain how we can implement the provider package in our applications. First, you need to import the provider package. Set, then we are going to create our change notifier, and it creates a class that extends the change notifier to hold the state. Okay, this is the basic code that I have written for the change notifier, where I have created a class count notifier which is extends from the change notifier. This is the private variable that I have created count, and this is the getter function. As you can see, I have written over here notify listener, which will notify all the listener that state has been changed. Providing the state, and use for providing the state, we are going to use the change notify provider to provide the state to the widget tree. In our main application code, we are going to use that change notifier and create context for this count notifier. As you can see, I have created this change notifier over here. This will be written over inside the main application function. For the home, I am going to create another screen, counter screen. So let's see how we can consume the state over here. We are going to use the we can use the consumer and provider or dot off to access and display the state in the UI. As you can see, I have used the provider off, and this is the count turn notify which I have been created over here. This thing, and this is how we are going to access that counter. And let's see how we can increment the value of the counter. So this is the on press event that I have written, counter notify increment. Let's see how many types of provider are there. Provider provides a value without listening to changes. Change notifier provider provides a change notifier and rebuild the distance when notifier listener is called. Okay. Future notifier, future provider provide a value that result of a feature. Future stream provider provides a value that is the result of a stream. Proxy provider combines multiple provider into one and give a useful distance for the state. In a summary, provider package in a Flutter is a powerful and flexible state management solution that signifies the process of managing state in, in a reactive way. It leverages the inherited widget to provide manage state efficiently, make it a popular choice for small and larger Flutter application. So that's all for this video. In the upcoming section, we are also going to explain more in depth types of the provider. So if you don't understand much about these provider in the upcoming section, we are going to talk about in detail about these things. Okay, and we are also going to see what are the difference between consumer and provider as well. So stay tuned. If you get any confusion, you can drop a comment in the comment section as well. Thanks for watching.